Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dobble with 2 players. First, let's set up the game. Take the entire deck of 55 circular cards and give them a good shuffle. Next, deal 1 card face down to each of the 2 players. These are your starting cards. Finally, place the remaining 53 cards face up in the center of the playing area. This forms your main draw pile for the game. Now that we're set up, let's dive into playing. At the same time, both players will flip their face-down cards face up. Your objective is to be the quickest to spot the one identical symbol shared between your own card and the top card of the central pile. Once you see it, loudly and clearly shout out the name of that matching symbol to claim the card. When you successfully identify and shout out the matching symbol, you get to take the top card from the central pile. This card then becomes part of your personal collection, placed face up on your own discard pile. The game immediately continues with the next card, now at the top of the central pile, and players continue to look for matches with their current top card. The game progresses quickly until the central draw pile runs out of cards. Once that last card is claimed, the game officially ends. At this point, both players will count up all the cards they have managed to collect throughout the game. The player who has successfully gathered the highest number of cards from the central pile is the winner of this fast-paced game of Dobble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.